Hello, and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on Learning Outcome 2 LO2. Understand the role of trusts in commercial transactions and how related issues are addressed under contract and trusts law. In this video, we will explore how trusts function within commercial transactions, examining the interaction between contract law, trusts law, and equity. You will gain insight into how these legal frameworks influence and regulate commercial dealings. Trusts are pivotal in managing assets within commercial transactions. They serve to hold and manage assets for beneficiaries. Trust law governs their creation, administration, and termination. Trustees must act in the best interests of beneficiaries. This ensures assets are managed prudently. Contracts form the backbone of commercial transactions. They outline rights, duties, and obligations. Breaches allow for remedies like damages or contract cancellation. Trusts can be formed through contracts between settlers and trustees. Contract law principles often govern these arrangements. Resulting and constructive trusts arise without explicit agreements. These trusts are implied by law based on circumstances. They ensure fairness and uphold parties' intentions. Contract law helps determine these intentions. Such trusts are vital in complex commercial scenarios. Contract terms dictate the specifics of commercial agreements. They cover pricing, delivery, and dispute resolution. Accurate interpretation is key to reflecting parties' intentions. Misinterpretations can lead to breaches. Understanding terms is crucial for effective transactions. Trustees are appointed under specific contracts. These outline their roles and liabilities. Breaches can result in significant consequences. Trustees must adhere to equitable principles. Liability exclusions may be included, but are scrutinized legally. Equity offers remedies unavailable at common law. These include specific performance and injunctions. Equitable estoppel prevents parties from reneging on promises. Such remedies ensure fairness in commercial transactions. They complement contract and trusts law effectively. Pension trusts manage retirement funds for beneficiaries. They operate under strict regulatory frameworks. Trusts law governs their administration and fiduciary duties. Trustees must act in beneficiaries' best interests. These trusts are crucial for financial security. Trusts are often used in bond transactions. They manage funds and ensure bondholders' rights. Trusts law governs these arrangements. Trustees oversee the management of bond assets. This structure protects investors' interests. Trusts can exist independently of contracts. They are based on equitable principles. Trust creation relies on the settler's intention. Trustees owe fiduciary duties not rooted in contracts. Trusts law provides distinct remedies. Trustees employ strategies to limit liability. Trust deeds often include exclusion clauses. Professional indemnity insurance offers protection. Delegation of duties can mitigate risks. Trustees must act within their authority. Trustees may seek court approval to limit liability. This is common for contentious decisions. Judicial validation offers protection against challenges. It ensures decisions align with trust terms. Court directions help mitigate trustee risks. Trustees must regularly review trust assets. Monitoring ensures compliance with trust terms. Accurate records are essential for accountability. Professional advice can prevent errors. This proactive approach minimizes liability risks. Equity supplements contract and trusts law. It ensures fairness in commercial dealings. Equitable doctrines like estoppel prevent injustices. These principles address gaps in common law. Equity is crucial for balanced transactions. Trusts play a vital role in commercial contexts. They provide a framework for asset management. Trust law governs their operation and enforcement. Understanding these principles aids in effective transactions. Trusts ensure equitable outcomes for parties. Conclusion. In commercial transactions, trusts, contracts, and equity are closely interconnected. Together, these frameworks ensure that agreements are both legally valid and equitable. A thorough understanding of their interaction is crucial for conducting effective and fair commercial dealings. If anything is unclear or you need help, WhatsApp us at 074-8436-1688. Our team will gladly assist. Thanks for your time and see you at the next session.